Hola Satin y Jonathan, espero que estén bien y este bebé que viene en camino nos traiga muchas bendiciones tanto a nosotros, toda la familia, como ustedes. Estamos muy contentos de tener una nueva bebé y que Dios los bendiga a ustedes y que les dé muchas cosas buenas. Bendiciones.
Hey Satin, hey Jonathan, just want to say congratulations for you guys having a baby. Yay, our little cousin. Let's see. I'm so proud of you, Satin. You know, you accomplished a lot in your life. You know, being a singer, and I don't know if you're doing photo shoots or anything like that, but I'm just proud of you. Don't really know much about Jonathan, but you seem like a great guy. Take care of my little cuz, you know what I'm saying? Love to death. And I hope the baby becomes a singer or something else, you know, maybe a gamer like his cousin, or, you know, a nerd like, yeah, me. But I love you guys. Congratulations. Bye-bye. Mwah.
Hi, Satin and Jonathan. I just want to congratulate you for the baby. I'm so excited that it's going to be a baby girl. I have been saying that to my cousin all the time. An advice for you guys is try to sleep right now a lot, because you don't know how your baby is going to be. If it's a really sleepy baby, you are going to be okay, but if maybe it's a kid that doesn't like to sleep so much, so it's better that you sleep a lot right now, so you have all the strength to be able to raise this kid. But I'm so happy for you. I love you both, and I know you're going to be great parents.
Congratulations! I'm super excited for you.
Hi family, congratulations on the baby girl. I really wish I could be there with you guys to celebrate and to love on that new little bundle of joy. I'm sure she's going to be like the most beautifulest little creature ever. I think the best advice I could give you guys as becoming new parents is to always do a bath and a bottle before bed. It helps the child stay asleep and you will get some sleep, and you guys can get a little alone time as well, so it's very convenient to do a bath and a bottle before bed. I will also want to send my blessings and my love to the child as well. That's what I really would like for you guys to teach your child, is to just love on her, make her feel love, show her love and compassion, and just how to be there. A great human being overall. You guys are both pretty decent people, so I'm sure she will not have a problem with that. You guys stay blessed up. Ashe, I love you guys, and congratulations on the new little girl.
Okay, I just want to congratulate Jonathan and Satin Doll, my friend for too many years. Homegrown. you see everything. Anyways, I just want to congratulate you guys. You know, I want to congratulate you guys on the announcement of your child and your pending marriage. I just want you guys to know that these times will go by fast. Oh, I forgot. It's virtual. I ain't gonna wear no mask. I just want to let you know that these times will go by fast, so please cherish every moment that you guys have right now, and especially when your child's born. It's gonna go by super fast. And you know, for the child, it's okay. You will make mistakes, you know, and you will learn from your mistakes. And you know, I just want you to know, you know, there's such a bright future out for you, and don't let people bash you, tear you down. You know, it's a tough world out there, you know, and you're gonna be okay. And I just want you to dream big and never forget that. So happy for both of you guys, and when the child sees this, hopefully they remember their favorite white guy, John. But you know, thank you guys for, you know, allowing me to go to your virtual baby shower, and I'm just very happy for you guys. You know, you guys are gonna do great. Peace and love from Lansing, Michigan.
Hey guys, I just want to say congratulations This is beautiful. This is a beautiful day. This is a beautiful moment. I'm so happy for you guys bringing in this beautiful baby into this world. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. The advice that I have for you guys is just pour your love into this child, you know, unconditionally. This baby's being born to great parents. It's going to be musically inclined. I already know. I mean, I can't wait to hear like this baby sing or this baby play music. I already know that the house is going to be full of love, full of song, full of joy. Like I said, I just want to say congratulations. I love you guys. I wish we could celebrate all of this together, but this is the next best thing. Things will be over and gone with soon, and we can all celebrate together and enjoy the life of this baby. Like I said, I love you guys. I wish nothing but the best. I can't wait to turn up. I can't wait to see this beautiful bundle of joy. Alright, love y'all. Take care.
Hey, Satin. I love you. Okay. Congratulations on your new baby girl that's coming. And I just know that she's going to be as sweet as you are. And when you were a kid, you were just as sweet, and she's going to be the same way. I just know it. I know you're going to make a terrific mom. And if anybody, when your baby gets 2 or 3, if somebody buys that baby a toy that makes a lot of noise, just remember Chucky. You remember Chucky, don't you? Yeah. So anyway, yeah, just remember Chucky, okay? And know that I love you. And if you need any help at any time or any old remedies, just give me a call. Okay? Be blessed.
Hi, Satin and Jonathan. I just wanted to say congratulations on your baby girl. My advice to you would be to get a lot of sleep while you still can, because she's gonna rule that house. And take lots of pictures, because she will change in a heartbeat. Tasha and I love you so much, and congratulations again on your baby girl. Can't wait to meet her. Love you.
Yo, I'm legit. I got baby music in the background. Yo, hey, what's up, Jonathan and Satin? It's Day Day. I definitely wanted to go ahead and congratulate you guys on the new baby. Because I know you guys are excited. I'm excited. Who wouldn't be excited, right? So, just a few things I wanted to give you guys advice on. Jonathan, come prepared to the hospital. Prepared. Make some padsicles. You just need some chlorine-free maxi pads, some aloe vera gel, and some witch hazel, non-alcoholic kind. That's the kind that I would recommend, the one that has coconut oil in it. And also, within the first 6 weeks, I also recommend that you guys follow the 70-30 rule. 70% of the work is going to be leaning towards Jonathan, just because, you know, she needs help. And the 30% is, you know, Satin. So you can be, you know, nurturing the baby and feeding the baby and loving the baby up until those 6 weeks are up. That's, you know, when the postpartum bleeding stops and whatnot. And for the baby, God bless you first off. Welcome, honey. I would like to tell you that, one thing that I would like to tell you. Follow your gut and don't compare yourself to anyone. There's only one you. So, for sure, no one will ever be like you, for sure. So, do that. And also, I took the liberty of looking up what jobs or careers would be the best careers within the next 20 years by the time you're like 18 or 20. And it's going to be an AI translator, artificial intelligence translator. So look into that. I need all my people to always have a job. Or if you're not going to have a job, be a boss. Yes, speaking that into existence. And yeah, just respect your parents because they love you and we love you and they're going to support you, and everyone within this video is going to support and love you. I got your back. So yeah, I love you guys. I wish you nothing but the best, and I'll see you soon. Love you. Later.
Hey there, congratulations. It's Auntie Jen all the way from Battle Creek, Michigan. How exciting. You will be having a baby. You both will be having a baby soon. Just a little word of advice. Please, by all means, start your day off with prayer. Ask God to give you both strength and understanding and awesome parenting skills, which I know you already have. But again, start the day off with prayer, the three of you. Put the baby in the center of the prayer request to God. Ask God to give you patience and understanding. Where you are weak, ask God to give you more strength. That is my advice as a mom who raised a wonderful, blessed 21-year-old. Again, do not forget to pray. You can pray now while you are still, and I know that you are praying to God, but pray for those things. And when you pray, pray specifically for God to help you. And I know with God, when God is involved, everything is going to be all right. I mean, everything is going to be all right. Again, congratulations. May God bless you. Take care.
Satin and Jonathan, congratulations, man. Seriously, I love both of y'all. I love what y'all created that ain't made it yet. I'm so proud of you, Satin. Taking this long to get pregnant. But I wouldn't want you to have a baby with nobody else but Jonathan. That's my dude. I wish y'all nothing but success, happiness for yourself and the baby. Message for the baby, I love you already. Listen to your mom and daddy. They've been here longer than you. And just love that baby, man. And when we get a chance, we're gonna get down there to see y'all and see the baby whenever, however it's gonna happen. Just know, proud of y'all, love y'all.
2, 3. Hey, Satin. Hey, Jonathan. It's Mojo.
It's King.
Yeah, we just wanted to say congratulations on your beautiful new family. We're sorry we can't be there, but we love you guys. We wish you all the love and success, and may God bless your beautiful family. So, thank you, love you, and
blessings.
Yes, and we'll see you guys soon.
Congratulations, cousins. I am so proud of you. I know you're going to be the best mother that you can be. I love you very much. Do not give up. Don't be discouraged. Kids is a job. But I know with you and your experience that you're going to be able to conquer it all. I love you. And to my new little baby cousin, you can get out here in this world and be whatever you want to be. Don't let nobody tell you no different. I love you.